Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we are looking at a fascinating paper about how AI is revolutionizing your trip to the dentist. Dentists often use panoramic X-rays, which show your entire mouth in one wide image, to look for problems. However, manually looking at these images is a time-consuming task, and it is easy for even experts to miss small details. Researchers applied a cutting-edge AI model called YOLO26 to see if it could automate this entire process. This specific AI model was designed to handle complex tasks like identifying objects in real time with very high precision. The researchers used a large collection of dental images called the Dentex dataset to train the system. The goal was to create a unified system that could do two things at once: identify every single tooth and spot any signs of disease. To do this, they used a platform called RoboFlow to prepare the images so the AI could understand them easily. The study looked at thousands of annotations, categorizing teeth into types like molars, incisors, and canines. They also tracked diseases like cavities, deep cavities, and impacted teeth that have not grown in properly. YOLO26 is particularly good for this because it uses advanced math to avoid common mistakes, like seeing the same tooth twice. It is also specifically designed to find very small objects, which is perfect for spotting early-stage cavities. When the researchers tested different versions of the AI, the medium-sized model performed the best for counting teeth. It reached an incredible 97.6% accuracy, which is a significant jump over previous versions of this technology. Interestingly, the largest version of the AI actually performed slightly worse, proving that more complex is not always better. The AI found that certain teeth, like incisors, were very easy to recognize because of their unique shapes. When it came to spotting diseases, the results were more varied, but still very promising for clinical use. The researchers found that identifying impacted teeth was actually the easiest task for the AI to learn. This is likely because impacted teeth have a very characteristic look on an X-ray that the AI can easily memorize. On the other hand, simple cavities were harder to spot because they can look like many other things on a scan. The study highlights that the visual distinctiveness of a problem matters more than how many examples the AI has seen. This means a very clear, rare condition might be easier to find than a blurry, common one. Overall, the researchers established a new standard for how AI can handle complex dental images. This is the first time a study has tackled tooth identification and disease detection together in this specific way. In a direct comparison, this new method beat out previous top-performing models in almost every single category. It was more precise, caught more issues, and provided more detailed maps of the individual teeth. To recap, this research shows that AI can now identify teeth with near-perfect accuracy and is getting better at spotting diseases. For you, this means faster dental visits and more reliable diagnoses in the near future. It could lead to smart tools that help your dentist double-check their work in real time. This is another step toward a future where medical technology is more accessible and accurate for everyone. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.